Cek. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
Are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, this is
Merdeka.
Indonesia.
Merdeka.
Terima kasih. Tetap jaga keutuhan negara kita ya. Before we start, let's check the roll. Anigus. Surati.
Hadir.
Maya.
Hadir.
Adinda.
Hadir.
Dian.
Hadir.
Walaupun kita di masa pandemi dan pembelajaran kita dalam daring, kita harus tetap semangat ya. Oke, semangat? Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's pray first. Berdoa mulai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Berdoa selesai. Terima kasih. Masih ada yang ingat materi terakhir yang kita pelajari apa kemarin? Itu tentang surat menyurat, guys. Oke. Sebelum kita lanjut ke topik utama, materi utama, sudah dibuka LKPD yang saya kirim ke kalian?
Sudah.
Kita bacakan tujuan pembelajarannya dulu. Tujuan pembelajaran kali ini diharapkan kalian bisa mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan pada teks biografi tokoh sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Selanjutnya, kalian juga bisa menentukan ide pokok dari teks biografi. Selanjutnya, kalian diharapkan bisa merekonstruksi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaannya juga sesuai konteks penggunaannya. Dan di akhir pembelajaran diharapkan kalian bisa menyusun teks biografi ataupun teks autobiografi secara mandiri. Oke. Setelah ini kita akan melihat video. Silahkan diamati baik-baik video yang akan saya tampilkan.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are always healthy and keep spirits. Today, I will teach you about biography in English. So, you must prepare your English book, your notebook, and your stationery. Are you ready to study? Biography text is a detailed description or account of a person's life and written by someone else. It is non-fiction text. Jadi, teks biografi adalah suatu teks yang menggambarkan secara detail dari riwayat hidup seseorang secara nyata dan ditulis oleh orang lain. Function of biography. For the first is to know a person's story about his or her life outside of any accomplishment this person may be known for. Jadi, fungsi biografi yang pertama itu adalah untuk mengetahui kisah seseorang tentang kehidupannya di luar pencapaian apapun orang ini mungkin dikenal oleh orang lain. The second is to give much information easily and educate the readers. Jadi, fungsi kedua itu untuk memberikan banyak informasi dengan mudah dan mendidik para pembaca. And the next is characteristic of biography. For the first, biography isn't written by subject and always written in the third person. Jadi, yang pertama, teks biografi itu tidak dibuat oleh orang yang sedang diceritakan riwayat hidupnya, tetapi diceritakan oleh orang lain dalam sudut pandang orang ketiga. The second is based on research. Jadi, karakteristik yang kedua itu adalah teks tersebut dibuat berdasarkan fakta pengalaman hidup suatu tokoh berisi mengenai kisah atau cerita suatu tokoh dalam mengarungi kehidupannya. Entah itu berupa kelebihan, masalah kehidupan, atau kekurangan yang ditulis oleh orang lain sehingga patut menjadi teladan bagi pembacanya. The third is describe the person's surroundings when, where, and how the person lived. Jadi, yang ketiga adalah untuk menceritakan secara detail tentang informasi tokoh yang diceritakan yang meliputi 5W1H, yaitu what, where, when, why, dan how. And the last characteristic biography is use vivid language to narrate events. Jadi, yang terakhir dalam karakteristik biografi itu adalah penggunaan bahasa harus benar-benar jelas diaplikasikan dalam sebuah teks biografi, dengan maksud menghindari kesalahan dalam informasi yang disajikan. Sekarang kita bahas generic structure-nya. Yang pertama itu ada orientation or introduction. It is the opening paragraph gives the readers the background information of the person. Jadi, biasanya berisi tentang biodata yang dinarasikan seperti nama lengkap, tempat dan tanggal lahir, beberapa informasi umum juga dapat disajikan pada bagian ini sebagai pengenalan tokoh. Itu yang disebut orientation. Yang kedua, itu ada event. In event should be in chronological order. Jadi, pada tahap ini adalah bagian kejadian atau peristiwa yang dialami oleh tokoh yang berisikan penjelasan suatu cerita, baik itu berupa pemecahan masalah, proses berkarir, dan berbagai peristiwa yang pernah dialami oleh tokoh sehingga mengantarkannya pada sebuah kesuksesan. Dan yang terakhir, yang termasuk dalam generic structure of biography text is reorientation or closing. It consists of a conclusion or comment or the writer tell about the achievement or the contribution of the person. Jadi, pada penutup, bagian ini berisi tentang pandangan penulis kepada tokoh yang dikisahkan. Reorientasi ini bersifat pilihan yang berarti penulis bisa memberikan pandangan pribadinya tentang tokoh yang dia ceritakan, atau penulis tidak memberikan pandangan pribadinya terhadap tokoh yang diceritakan adalah bukan perkara yang penting. And the next is grammar and language features. Selanjutnya adalah kita bahas masalah grammar yang biasanya digunakan pada biografi teks. Pertama itu, biasanya dalam penulisan biografi itu menggunakan tenses simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah bagian penting dalam membuat teks biografi. Sebuah bentuk sederhana kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lampau menggunakan kata kerja kedua. For example, is Susi Pujiastuti was born on January 15th, 1965. Dari contoh kalimat tersebut bisa kita lihat bahwa untuk menyatakan atau menyebutkan hari lahir seseorang dalam biografi teks itu menggunakan kata kerja kedua, yaitu kata was. Was itu adalah kata kerja kedua dari is, am, atau are. Selain menggunakan kalimat simple past tense, biasanya dalam grammar and language feature dari biografi teks itu ada juga temporal sequence and temporal conjunction, di mana sebagai kata penghubung antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat lain dalam urutan waktu. Dalam biografi teks itu memiliki dua tipe biografi. Yang pertama adalah short biografi atau biografi pendek, yang hanya berfokus pada titik masalah atau titik puncak dari kehidupan seseorang. Yang kedua adalah long biografi, yaitu yang menceritakan tentang kehidupan seseorang dari awal karir hingga titik puncak kesuksesan orang tersebut secara detail. Nah, setelah ini, Miss Nanda akan berikan contoh-contoh dari teks biografi dalam bahasa Inggris. Silahkan disimak dengan baik-baik, oke?
Well, class, I have the sample for you. That is Barack Obama. We talk about the generic structure. Generic structure-nya apa?
Introduction.
Pertama, introduction. Yang kedua,
Heaven.
terakhir,
Closing.
well, thank you class. Saya harapkan sampai berakhirnya pembelajaran ini semuanya bisa aktif ya.
Yes.
What about the language feature? What do we have? Language feature?
Simple past.
Can you give the sample?
Barack Obama was born on August.
Untuk penilaiannya,
Ya.
saya juga akan menilai keaktifan kalian dalam kelas. Tidak hanya karya kalian yang kalian buat yang saya nilai, tapi juga keaktifan kalian. Come on, class.
His father was a Kenyan named Barack Obama.
Yeah. Well, thank you. What about the moral value? Di antara kalian mestinya kan sudah ada yang kenal. Who is Barack Obama?
Barack Obama, President of America.
Yes, President of America. Do you have any moral value about Barack Obama? Please.
I think he has a good upbringing and is also a good leader for the American nation.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, another. Please.
I think even though he has become the president of America and a successful person, he doesn't forget to study in Indonesia.
Ternyata ada yang kenal ya. Ternyata beliau pernah sekolah di Indonesia juga. Ya, yang lain.
I actually admire him for his example and helpful.
Okay, thank you. Over here, I have a little game for you. Please guess it. Okay, class. Who am I? I
I was
am the
born
man.
in Blitar.
I am the first president of Indonesia. Who am I?
Insinyur Soekarno.
Yes, thank you. Presiden kita ya. Next. I am the woman. I am also the hero. I was born in Nangro Aceh Darussalam. Who am I? All of you who has game like me, please, come on. Show off.
Who am I? I'm the man, and I'm a hero, and I'm a father of education Indonesia. Jadi Bantara.
Oke, yang lain. Saya suka kelas yang seperti ini. Semuanya aktif. It is amazing. Come on, yang lain.
Who am I? I am a woman. I am a hero. I was born in Jepara. Who am I?
Born in Jepara.
R.A. Kartini.
Yes, R.A. Kartini. Thank you. Bagus, semuanya aktif. Saya suka ini. Next. Please open your LKPD. Di situ sudah saya kirimkan LKPD ke kalian, LKPD, mengenai artis. Kenapa saya memilih LKPD berbiografi tentang artis? Menurut saya agar kalian lebih bersemangat karena artis ini lagi naik daunnya, lagi terkenalnya. Miss Rati, what do you get?
Sifaju.
Anikus,
Arya Saloka.
Adinda,
Prilly Latukonsina.
yang lain?
Iqbal Ramadan.
Ya, Maya Iqbal Ramadan. Di situ teksnya belum tersusun sesuai dengan strukturnya. Juga di situ jumble word belum dimasukkan. Please insert the jumble word and reconstruction the text. I give you 15 minutes. Come on, class.
Sifaju is si student Bekasi sih still after that she government entertainment
Junior Primary School, SMP Islamic School, and SMA Global Islamic Senior High and SMA Lane of this school in
what entertainment so what in agitation playing
Arya Saloka played with Oscha, Satriasa, and Alessia.
number GP telegram.
The real name is Prilly Maheshi Latukonsina, drama actor in popular Indonesia, actress, singer, presenter, and writer. His name
Because of
presenter, penulis.
melodious voice, melodious law has
began to show
on
starring in
musical episode opera soundtrack.
Serigala.
2014.
He has won a number of
Award such as favorite
actress and the 2015 and 2016
Okay, well class. Baik.
Prilly Latukonsina. She was born in Tangerang, October.
Hey class. Yeah. Time up. Who wants to be the first?
Answer.
Yes.
Sifaju is an actress and model born in Jakarta, Juli 200, Hong Kong, Ira Noraisa. She studied at SMAN 3 Bekasi and schooling for her college education.
For the event, please.
This artist start her career by starring in the soap opera and Unlikely, bintang di langit.
What about language feature? Please.
We have simple past. He began to refer offers to play in other soft opera. And we have simple present. Siva Haju is an actress and model born in Jakarta.
Yeah, thank you. Who wants to respond about the moral value? Come on.
Siva Haju, not only beautiful, but also multi-talented artist. Why? Because important she was an artist. She has acted in many movies.
Ya, thank you. Saya suka kelas ini semuanya aktif. Next. Yuk, yang dapat LKPD berbeda silakan. Come on.
I am sir. I get
Yes.
Iqbal Ramadan. This boy is Iqbal Dia Fakri Ramadan. He was born in Surabaya. His junior high school is SMP Islamic School and SMA Global Islamic School is his senior high school in Australia. Monash University is his education. He is the second child of the couple like Rit Dharmayanti and Heri Hirnawan. Language feature simple past. He was born in Surabaya. And simple present. This boy is Iqbal Dian Fakri Ramadan.
Well, thank you. Next. Come on.
I get Prilly Latukonsina. In introduction, the real name is Prilly Mahathai Latukonsina. Artist name is Prilly Latukonsina. She was born in Tangerang, October 15. She is multi-talent girl. Her parents are Rizal Latukonsina, father, and Uli Dujilita, mother.
Well, thank you. Next. Come on.
I am sir.
Yes.
I get Arya Saloka. The man whose full name is Arya Saloka Yuda Perwila Surawilogo was born in Denpasar, Juni 27, is the son of Hendono and Murtiningsih. He embraced Islam. He has a beautiful wife named Princess Anne.
Well, thank you guys. Semuanya aktif. Terima kasih. Well, class, the next activity for you is you can see the screen. Di situ sudah saya contohkan the leading sentences for you, and please make autobiography of yourself. You can use the first pronoun to finish it. Any question?
Yes. Itu membuat autobiografi apa biografi?
Yeah, thank you for the question. For this time, as like I said, please make autobiography of yourself. You can use the first pronoun. Okay. Read it.
Yes.
I give you 15 minutes. Time is yours. Come on, class.
It's about me and about my life.
My
name is Noi.
Yeah.
Parental children.
I
It's a computer. I was born in Jepara Central Desa.
am the
I am the second child of three siblings and I am currently attending a
And born after I graduation from school, I want to walk in the trend and seek new and
Brother
further
and
insight.
cake. The woman loves full name is Ratnasari Surate, was born in Jepara, March 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, dan berjalan waktu apa? The woman her full name is Nurfazil Surate, was born in The woman her full name
Is about me and about my life. My name
is
is Pratama. I was born in Jepara, Central Java. I am the second child of their sibling, and I am for quartile attending a SMK. After I graduation from school, I went to work in the train and the second and rather and say,
is the son of Hendro and Mortaningsih. His number he has a beautiful
stop it.
Do you know me? I was born.
I am about my life. My name is Alinda. I was born in Jepara, Central Java. I am the second child of the sibling and I am for attending OSMK. Even after I graduation from school, I went to work in the trend and seek new and pleasure insight. And check and receive the point. Eventually, I went to work in the trend.
Well, class, I think time is up. Who wants to present the first? Ken, come on. Who wants to show off again for the first? Please tell about your autobiography. Come on, class.
I am Sir.
Yes.
Do you know me? I'm Rakildian Alianti. I was born in Jepara. I am the fifth of Gibson. In 2016, I graduated from elementary school. And I graduated from junior high school 2019. Now I am student of SMK. My dream is going to Seoul, Korea.
So beautiful dream. Come on, next. Please.
I'm sure.
Yes.
This is me, Aniku Soleha is my name. I was born in Jepara. I am the two of children. In 2016, I graduated from elementary school and I graduated from junior high school 2019. Now I am student of SMK Islam Al Madinah. My dream is going to Turkey.
Yes. Wah, mimpinya hebat-hebat ini. Bersemangat semua. Next, come on. Ayo, yang lain.
I am sir.
Yes, come on.
This is about me. I am about my life. My name is Adinda Diah Pitaloka. I was born in Jepara, Central Java, 31 October 2003. I am the second child of 3 siblings and I am currently attending a SMK. I want after a graduation from school, I want to work in the train and seek new and broader insight.
Okay, for the evaluation. What do we discuss today? We talk about
Geografi.
yeah, tadi kita sudah membicarakan tentang Presiden Amerika, juga contohnya ada presiden pertama kita siapa tadi? Yes. What about the generic structure? We have introduction. For the part we have
Introduction.
then
Event.
and we have
Closing.
have closing or we have one for what about the language? What do we use? Simple past. Yeah. Do you get it? Do you get it? Dan bisa mengikuti pembelajaran dengan baik. Untuk tugas kalian, please make your biography or biography of yourself and then make it in video. Then post it in YouTube or media video and please send link to the group or to my number. I can check your work. Do you get it?
Yes.
Untuk teman kita yang belum hadir di daring ini, silakan diberitahu bahwa tugasnya adalah membuat biography of self. Oke, see you class.
See you.
Wabarakatuh. Indonesia.
Merdeka.